Sixth, today class 6th English. 6th English first lesson, peace and harmony. Peace and harmony. So peace and harmony I explained in the previous class. This lesson, about this lesson, no, you if you want to listen again, you watch in YouTube also. I kept in the WhatsApp link, so you open that and listen in the YouTube. After completing the lesson, we have to learn meanings of this lesson. First lesson, first bit is meanings. Meanings. First one, gymnastics, physical exercise, physical exercises. Second one, property, property, objects or things owned by somebody. Oh, extreme sadness. Oh, extreme sadness. Harmony. Harmony, a state of living together. Peacefully. Unanimously. Unitedly. Unitedly. Bloat. Become bigger and bigger. Become bigger and bigger. See here, read meanings by seeing your textbooks. Textbook చూస్తూ చదవాలి వీడియో చూసేటప్పుడు. ఫస్ట్ వన్ meanings. First way, gymnastics, physical exercise. Gymnastics means type of exercises, physical exercises to do our body fit and healthy. We do exercises to keep our body healthy and fit. Property. Property means objects or things owned by somebody. Means if any object, if any place we have own, we are taking our own, that is called a property. Woe, extreme sadness, feeling sad. Harmony, a state of living together peacefully. All, a state of living, all the people living together and peacefully, with happily. Unanimously, unitedly, all together. Unitedly means all together. Ekagrivanga. Bloat, become bigger and bigger. Peddadiga avadam. Read along with me. Gymnastics, physical exercise. Gymnastics, physical exercise. By seeing this video, you read each one 10 times. Gymnastics, physical exercise. Property, objects are things owned by somebody. Property, objects are things owned by somebody. Oh, extreme sadness. Oh, extreme sadness. Harmony, a state of living together peacefully. Harmony, a state of living together peacefully. Unanimously, unitedly, unanimously, unitedly. Bloat, become bigger and bigger. Bloat, become bigger and bigger. This is our first bit meaning. Second bit, textbook. I will explain today textbook on Wednesday. Monday compulsory you have to buy the books. Monday roju books andaru teesukovali. Plus you have to complete first lesson in your textbooks. So many bits are there. There is no time to write textbook. So you have to buy as early as possible. You have to buy the books and you have to complete your textbooks. By video call I will check your textbooks. Video call chesi Wednesday or Thursday. Video call I will give the time. In this time I will make a video call and I will check your textbooks and workbooks also. Video call chesi textbooks workbooks you completed or not, complete chesara leda, I will check by video call and I will ask also. First lesson meanings Wednesday I will ask by video call. Listen properly and keep it in your mind. Buy the books. First second after meaning second bit, fill in the boxes by using yes, somewhat, no. By using this or somewhat, no, you have to fill this. I enjoyed reading the passage. Are you enjoyed by this lesson? Yes, you write yes. I got the idea and my passage on my own. While explaining the teacher, you got an idea, own idea, yes. I got the idea with the help of my friends in group. While you are discussing about this lesson in your with your friends, you got an idea, yes. The teacher helped to understand me, or is your teacher helped you to understand this lesson? Yes. So here you have to write yes. I used the glossary meanings in the end of the passage. By reading the lesson, by reading the lesson we will compulsory we will use these meanings to get the meaning of a word. So these all in your textbooks, these all columns you have to write yes only. Next question and answers afterwards I will explain. Next second bit, see, read the following paragraph and analyze it in terms of cause and effect, consequence. One has been done for you. Here given one paragraph. In this paragraph you have to write one cause and consequence. Cause means reason, karanam. Consequence means by getting what you get, what you get profit by this cause. Ante cause ante karanamu. So deeni valla what you get profit. You have that is a consequence. Cause and consequence you have to write by using this paragraph. I am reading paragraph now. The animals in the forest were friendly, so the jackal could not eat any animals. Before when the jackal entered to the forest, all the animals were very friendly, so the jackal should not get any chance to eat an animal. The jackal then thought a plan and implemented it. On that time jackal got on one idea and the jackal started doing that. The animals started suspecting each other as the jackal's plan worked. What is the plan of a jackal? First jackal has to suspect the animals, divide the animals. After that they have to, the jackal want to eat the all animals. The life in the forest become dull because there were no musical evenings. After the jackal plans work out, what happened after that? All the animals are suspected and there is no musical evenings in the forest. All the animals requested the sadhu help, so he talked to the animals and birds solved this problem. So suddenly one sadhu came to the forest and they helped to the animals. However, the sadhu didn't want to kill the jackal but preferred to teach a lesson to it. But jackal, so the moon decided, moon, who is the moon in this lesson? Sadhu only, no? So sadhu decided to should not kill the jackal, but the moon want to teach a lesson to the jackal. This is the paragraph story. In this you have to write the cause, karanam, deni valla em jarigindi, consequence. First one is given for you. All the animals in the forest were friendly. First lesson, in the lesson the animals are, all the animals in the forest was very friendly, all the animals. By that what happened to the jackal? The jackal could not eat any animal. So andaru friendly ga kalsi undadam valla first em jarigindi, dani valla the jackal could not eat any animal. Nakka ఏ ఎనిమల్ని తినలేకపోయింది. ఇది ఒక కారణం. అందరూ యూనిటీగా ఉండడం వల్ల ఏం జరిగింది అంటే ఏం జరిగింది? The jackal could not eat any animal. That is the consequence. Next you have to write two more. The jackal plans worked. Second one is cause the jackal's plan worked. After the plan, what happened in the forest? The animals are suspecting. The animals started suspecting each other. This is the cause. Cause means కారణం. కారణం ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? The jackal plans workout. jackal యొక్క ప్లాన్ వర్కౌట్ అయింది. సో దానివల్ల ఏం జరిగింది? The animals started suspecting each other. So about this reason what we will get, the answer is the consequence. So this is the cause and the consequence. Now one more you have to write yourself in the textbook by using this paragraph. Okay na? Now I explain. Third bit, here some sentence are given beta. So in this sentence are belongs to a story. First lesson peace and harmony. These are not in a correct order. You have to put this sentence in a correct order. First what happened in this lesson? Firstly see the animals and the birds were living happily together. This is the starting of the lesson, no? So 11th sentence is the first sentence. Next they often held musical evenings. All together they are living happily. After that daily in the evening they held musical evenings. So 9th one is the second one. 9th sentence is second sentence. So like this you have to read these sentences and you have to put these sentences in a order by listening the story. Once again you may listen the story, you may understand the story in the YouTube. So after that on Wednesday చెప్పినా కదా, వెడ్నెస్డే రోజు నేను వీడియో కాల్ చేసి ఈ మీనింగ్స్ అడుగుతా మిమ్మల్ని. ప్లస్ till up to till you have to complete your textbooks. In the next class I will explain you about degrees and next opposites, fill in the blanks, similar meanings in the next class.